think this part is long enough to fit all the way through. See, it's a big gap right here, and there's no gap right here. It's nothing making it stay. So here's my fridge. Quite a bit of things you can fit in there. For such a small fridge, it's quite roomy. Here's the freezer. The only downside I would say is the seal's not as good as I'd like. Sometimes I gotta shut it and it sort of just doesn't shut quite the way, and then it'll be sitting open like that till I notice it. So you really gotta make sure, you know, your stuff is pushed in and really kind of push the seal to make sure it catches and it's on there tighter. That's the only downside really, I'd say. Other than that, I really like my fridge. It's red, my favorite color, and it's retro, which is cute. It comes in several other colors, I believe, but yeah, I like my fridge.
Soon never came.